Hey guys, it's your bitchy girl Jordana, and today I'll be showing you guys how to do a soft glam look. Oh yes. Okay, so first we're gonna go in with primer, and I use calamine lotion for my primer. Basically, just gonna put that on your face, not too much. I kind of did too much, but that's okay. And yeah. Okay, next now I am going to my eyebrows, and right now I'm just gonna comb them out, get those hairs all even. Then I go in with my eyebrow pencil, eyeliner pencil, lip liner, and I'm going in with black, but usually you can use brown too if you don't want it a harsh look. So I'm just gonna try and line and fill in my eyebrows to give the shape. Okay, so now I have blended all of that out, and I'm going to go in with my concealer. Today I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer and my concealer stick. I'm gonna go in using my brush around my eyebrows. This is just to get a cleaner look and really kind of like highlight my eyebrows so they get that sleek looking. Yeah. So right now I'm just gonna line underneath with that sharp note. Yeah. So after you just line them, then the next step will just be to blend that all out, because you really don't want your concealer to be prominent really. You still want to make it look like your skin, and yeah. Okay guys, so now that we finished both eyebrows, we're just going to continue concealing, and I'm going to conceal underneath our eyes. Now you can use the same LA Girl Pro Concealer here, which I'm going to use, but you can also use your concealer stick. Okay, so we're just going to fill it out in a triangle shape, and here I'm going in with my concealer stick. We just fill that out in. We're just going to go in with a beauty blender at the end and blend that all in, really. Okay, now that is all blended out to my liking, we'll come back to it, so don't worry. We're just going to go in with foundation now, which will kind of help clean it up. So I'm going in with my foundation brush, but if you want, you can also use your beauty blender. What I usually like to do is give it a spray of water so it doesn't absorb too much of the foundation. And yeah, I do the same thing with my brushes also. So I'm just gonna go and take like one pump, a small little amount, yeah, and just put it over my face. I do it in dots first so I can just spread the foundation over my face, and then I come back to blending it all out. Okay, so now I take my concealer brush, spritz it with a little water, and I go in and blend the concealer from my eyebrows, and then the one on top, and blend it upwards into my foundation. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little concealer here to blend that in, and yeah. Now we're gonna move on to contour. I'm gonna use a contour stick. And I'm going to, or you can use concealer actually, but I prefer to use my contour stick. So now I'm going to suck in my jaws and just give myself a sleek or a strong, prominent jawline, or jawbone, I guess it's name. So that's really why we are contouring. This helps to give your face more shape. So I do it on top of my hairline, and this just helps to blend in. However, because I have red hair in my hair, the blend will not be as smooth as I like it to be. Yeah, let's just get the blender. Because we don't want it to look too harsh, and we also still want it to look natural. So, and just blend it in. Okay, now we're going to move on to our nose, and we're going to contour our nose. This just helps to give it two lines coming down from the inner corner of our eyes. Comes right here. Just a little right. I don't even know what you call that, but you can see where I'm trying now. Just a little line there. Okay, and now I'm going to take my contour brush, or brush I use for contour, and just blend that out. Now I'm going to get my concealer, and this is just to really highlight the bridge of my nose. Yeah, so I'm going to put my concealer too along the bridge, and then we're going to get our same concealer brush and also blend that out. Okay, now I'm going to get my contour brush again, and I'm going to blend upwards. Okay, now for the eyes. I'm just going to curl my eyelashes now because I am not going to be using false eyelashes, so these just help to make my eyelashes more prominent and, out there. Okay, so now I'm going to attempt to do eyeliner. I suck at this, so I take so much time doing it because I get so scared. But one thing I will say, eyeliners are not twins. If you get yours to be twins, then that's great, but let's just aim for sisters right now. Now I'm going to get my concealer to give it a cleaner look, and just put the concealer a little bit underneath so it looks cleaner. Okay, now time for mascara basically. And that's basically it for the eyes. Now to set my concealer under my eyes, I'm going to be using my matte finish powder. If you do have setting powder, fine, but that's okay. Okay, now for highlight, and you could use your fan brush. However, I kind of like a lot of highlight right now, so hence why I changed brushes. I'm just gonna highlight our cheekbones with some highlighter, bronzer, whatever you may call it. So yeah, and I'm gonna take a smaller brush and highlight the tip of my nose. Now you could use your eyeshadow palette. I have my two to also get that shimmer look in the inner corner of your eye. So actually I'll be dipping into my Beauty Face 60 color board palette and to kind of like highlight the inner corner of my eye. Yeah, and lastly it's for the face. We're just gonna spray some setting spray. Okay, now for the lips, I like to outline them with a black liner. This could be eyeliner. At this point, just a black liner. And just line those up. Okay, now I'm going to, you could use a nude color, but because of my hair today, I'll be using lipstick to match my hair. So usually for a soft glam look, I like to go with a nude lip, but today I'll be using some color. So basically what I just did, I just darkened it a little bit with my liner, my black liner, and now I'm just blending it out. Okay, so now I will move on to my edges or my hairline, and when I do my edges, then I also blend out it a little bit more. I could have blended it more, but because I have the red dye, yeah. But this is basically my finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Well, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and thanks for watching, guys.